Welcome to the garage again. Today I have a mini chainsaw. Seesii, I believe it's pronounced. It could be Seesaw, right? You're gonna see a saw. I'll unbox it, show it to you right here. See, oh nice carrying case. Look, solid. Nice locks here. We got things we need pruned outside. This will cut up to 5.5 inches or 6 inches. I'm not sure. I'll have to read it. Safety gloves, safety glasses. We'll wear those. Instruction manual. Cordless mini chainsaw. Seesii. That's good. 2 21-volt batteries. Rechargeable. And the mini chainsaw. A charger for the batteries. What else we got? Something good here. Ooh, like a toolkit maybe. Are you as excited as I am? I needed one of these for a long time. I have a full-size chainsaw, but you know how much of a hassle that is. Gas powered. Sometimes it doesn't want to start for a long time. It's just big and bulky and more dangerous. This is safer. An oil bottle to oil your chain. Brush to clean. An extra chain. Oh, and a tool for adjusting. An extra chain. Pre-lubed. Very nice. Screwdriver. Files. You can file the teeth down and sharpen your own chain maybe. But first thing I want to do, right now it's a little rainy and gloomy outside, and I have a tree all marked out where I'm going to cut some branches off. But look how easy this is. Slide it in. You know, you probably had tools like this already. 21 volts. And I close this up. I want to go outside. I might have to wait until it dries off out there. Anyway, let's look. My glasses. It's really nice that they give you safety glasses and gloves. Here's the safety button. You push that in. Well, here's a guard on the on the chain. Take the guard off. Whoa. Nice. You can adjust that tension. I looked on their website. They have a good website and they have excellent service because I was reading the reviews. This is an amazing price. This would be great for holidays coming up. Birthday, Father's Day, Black Friday shopping special. You turn it on for the first time. Press that safety there and pull the trigger. Oh. Gonna cut your table in half?
No,
I won't. Wow, that's powerful. I didn't even charge it up yet. I can't go outside now, can I? I'll show you what it's like out there. I should, right? I should cut a couple branches off. All right. But there's some pruning I've been meaning to do over here. I'll show you right away in the rain. It just might not be very bright out there. But we're used to not being very bright. Let me zip up my coat. Going outside. See how gloomy it is out here? But I can't wait to demonstrate it to you. I'm going to cut my picnic table in half.
Oh, no.
Oh, come on, come over here. See this shaggy mess here? Safety glasses, safety gloves. See where I made these marks? These are nice straight branches. I could make like a walking stick out of that. Look, I'm going to cut it off down there. Look how big. It will cut almost a 6-inch log in like 8 seconds, according to the instructions. Oh, I can't wait. I just can't wait. You're getting all wet, aren't you? All right, let me cut this one down here because this will be a nice walking stick someday. Oh, see? Isn't that a nice straight stick? What kind of tree is that? Is this just a weed that went crazy? Look. Oh, there's a little. Oh, look. Oh. Sorry, go back to sleep. We'll find another spot for you. I'm eventually going to cut these all the way down, but like it's so rainy today, I just want to demonstrate this for you, you know. I don't get down on my knees, but I can cut down close to the ground. It's great for pruning, gardening. Your mom would like this, you would like this too. Your lady would like this, right?
Yeah, I could find some uses for it.
Yeah, I gotta look above me how big it's going to be. I didn't even think about it. I'm going to get wet. All right, look out. Uh-oh. Well, that is pretty big up there. Holy cow. Where at? Right here. See? And that's wet wood, see? You know it's wet. Wow, look how big that is. Whew.
Got a couple smaller branches.
I should have worn my hat. All right, that's about 3 inches, that's nice. Like I said, this is gonna be completely pruned when we have good weather, but I had to demonstrate it to you right away. Got an LED light there too.
Wow, that made that look easy.
Yeah. I saw guys cut big logs, cut firewood like that. Wow, it's so easy. Look. Good job, me. Timber! Now's the time of the year to get your pruning done too, when all the leaves are gone, you know? All right, I hope that was a good demonstration. I don't want to get Kathy too wet. Like if I cut that one, that's a big tree. But I'll go little by little. There's a frog back there. Nice. Howdy, neighbor. Neighbor thinks we're crazy. Neighbor knows we're crazy. Thanks for watching. Check the link down below. Great portable mini chainsaw. I love it. Get yourself one. Holidays are coming up. Look at me. I'm gonna get dried off now. Where do you see that when that's done? It's gonna be a nice cleared area. All right, talk to you soon. Cool, wasn't it? Wasn't that good?